This vegan grape meze platter will surprise and delight your guests. Here, marinated black grapes replace traditional olives, the falafel is stuffed with hidden grapes, and the tabbouleh is made with green grapes instead of cucumbers for a pleasing change. Let's start with the falafel. In a food processor, add the soaked raw chickpeas, onions, parsley, cilantro, salt, garlic, cumin, and baking powder. Process this until you have a mealy consistency. Add enough flour if needed so that the dough forms a small ball and no longer sticks to your hands. Refrigerate covered for at least an hour or overnight. With wet hands, form the chickpea mixture into balls about the size of walnuts and stuff 2 halves of red grapes in the middle. When you're ready to serve, heat 3 inches of oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit in a deep pot or wok and fry the falafel balls until they are golden brown. Next, let's make the baba ganoush. Place the eggplants on a hot grill and char them on all sides until they are very tender. Allow the eggplants to cool. Scoop the flesh out of the charred skin and then place the eggplant, tahini, garlic, grapes, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, pepper, and yogurt in a food processor and puree until smooth. Chill until ready to serve. Now for the marinated black grapes, heat an oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the black grapes on a lined sheet pan and roast for 3 minutes. Remove and cool the grapes down to room temperature. In a mixing bowl, combine the rosemary, parsley, garlic, red pepper flakes, olive oil, and salt. Toss with the roasted black grapes. Lastly, I'm making the tabbouleh with a twist. I'm swapping the traditional cucumbers with green grapes. Serve this Mediterranean platter as a fun, shareable appetizer. Find this recipe and more on ciaprochef.com/grapes.